All right, in this video, you guys have already seen how to install the plate onto the holster to mount in your bag. And I'm just gonna show you how versatile this thing can be. So in the main video, I used the Eberlestock FADE Vertx. This firearm is clear, but putting it in there is easy. You know, stick it right on the hook side, apply pressure from the back to make sure that you get good traction there, and you're good to go. This comes in and out, no problem. But not just with this bag. This plate can go in any bag you have as long as it has the loop backing. So this is a Vertx bag. This is a much softer loop material, but with our plate, it is no problem. Sneak it in there, apply pressure from the back just like we did before, and this thing is stuck and ready for draw, even in this fanny pack. This offers a little more space, different brand, different look, but comes right out. And then some of the fun stuff is with the larger bags. So this is another bag from the Eberlestock FADE series. This is their sling. There is a cool pocket right here with dual access, and inside there is a loop panel about that wide. And if you're real careful not to stick it too early, you can get this M&P metal inside in the holster on the plate mounted. So now you have a pistol in there secure, and you can reach in and draw your pistol if you're wearing this bag. The cool part is this adds just a lot of versatility with this plate to use with various bags. This is a harder one to get out of just because of the position of the hook and the loop, but it comes right out. Another example of use is many bags that we use have entire hook backings in the main compartment. So in this one here, there's a laptop pocket, plenty of room for other stuff, but you can literally stick your pistol right there. I'm gonna come in from the back, apply some pressure, but if you were to have this bag on you or sitting down somewhere in the car or the office, you'd be able to reach in and draw your pistol, no problem. Right from your bag, and it's secure inside. It's not going to rattle around. It's not going to displace itself, so you don't know where it is when you need it. Right when you unzip, pistol's right where you want it. So this is just a few examples of practical application with our plate, and I hope you guys can find a bag and put this to good use. In the near future, we may build this series out to have magazine holders that are hook back, so you can stick them in whatever bags on the side of your range bag, whatever you guys want. I just know there's a huge demand for these plates, and keeping it low profile without the strap going across the top for your inside waistband holster, using our outside the waistband holster direct mounted to the plate, is a much more streamlined and much more rigid system.